guys to another video. Today I am gonna show you some fruit boxes I got. I bought a Fuit plushie and I got a legendary one, so I got a premium fruit box and a super fruit box. Let's see what I get. Come on, something good. Falcon, darn it. Oh, I have super fruit box. Come on. Permanent blizzard for. Wait, isn't that like a legendary or something? I have permanent blizzard. Oh my god. Ah! Guys, I'm gonna redeem it. I'm redeemed it. Guys, tell me in the comments if that's a mythical fruit or legendary. I can't believe I just got that. To be honest, I actually kind of wanted that one because there's a thing I'm doing, guys. So basically, it's gonna be a video where it's gonna take ages to do, but once I have all permanent fruits, it's crazy though. I'm going to do a whole video about showing all their moves and some combos if I've learned any on the way. And also, as you see in my inventory, I've got a rocket fruit here, smoke, spike, flame, falcon, ice, sand, dark, diamond, and all of these like things. I'm saving up all these fruits to do a whole challenge. It's going to be like, at first it was going to just be a video like an hour or two live. It was going to just be like an hour or two video, but now that I know how to live stream, it's going to just be that. It's going to be a massive live stream of me just doing that. Let's see what I can get from the gacha. Spring fruit, darn it. I mean, I should be happy because I just got permanent blizzard. I could have got like permanent, look guys, I could have got like permanent chop, permanent rocket. The thing I want the most is permanent portal. That's the thing I want the most. Perm portal. I've already got one stored, don't I? Oh no. Well, that's an extra one to the collection. And so far for mythicals, I only have one. It's Gravity. Legendaries, I have Pain, Phoenix, and Love. It's crazy because the Fuit plushie I pulled from the Fuit plushie box was a love fruit as well, and I've got magma, barrier, and rubber, all three of those for rare. And then obviously I just told you I've got diamond, dark, sand, ice, fire, and that, and all of them. I can't believe I just got permanent blizzard. I can't believe that. That is crazy, guys, isn't it? Anyway, that's it. It was just a quick little video for showing you guys what I got. So, peace out, my dudes.